Hey guys, I'm here to Tech Aficionado here. I'm going to show you today how to upgrade your iMac's 27 inches RAM. So I have a 2019 model myself, but I heard this will work with anything from 2017 up to even the 2020 version. Right here I have a 32 GB kit from Crucial. It's a pretty good company. I'd recommend them that you check them out. They're probably one of the best RAM retailers out there, and they also do SSDs if you're looking to upgrade that. Maybe in a future video I can show you how to do that also. And yeah, it's pretty simple. All you need is one of these 32 GB kits if you want to make it at least 64 gigs of RAM, or if you want to just leave it at 40. Me personally, when I bought the lowest version when I got my iMac back in late April 2020, so I bought mine with only 8 gigabytes of RAM, but at Micro Center I bought like a 32 GB stick just like this, and I brought it up to 40. So but now that I'm starting to do a little bit more video editing and some of the software that I use, I feel like I need more RAM. Now I heard with the iMac 27 inches you could go all the way up to 128 gigs. I don't think I'm gonna need that much right now, so I'm just gonna upgrade to 64 and see how I do. So yeah, this is a tool that I use just to help me, not really pry the thing, but just to push the button because I have the fingers a little bit big. So yeah, this should make it easier. If you have one of these, maybe even a pen, I would say it could help you open that little valve, but you know what, I'll just get right to it and show you how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and show you how much RAM I have installed now. The Apple logo in the top left corner, about this Mac. Then click on the memory tab, and it shows right now I have 40 gigs of RAM installed. I have one 4 gig for one module, and another module that has another 4 gig. I'm going to replace both of those with two 16 gigs. And I'm going to show you exactly how I got that done. It's not as hard as you think. It actually made it really simple. You don't even need a screwdriver anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. Hello guys, so first things first, before you remove any wires, you want to make sure that your Mac is actually shut down. I know this kind of sounds like common sense to everybody, but just have to let people know I don't want them to mess up their Macs. So yeah, I already shut mine down about 10 minutes ago, so I should be good to go. And you can see I have a bunch of wires sticking out that I try to Velcro pretty nicely to do my cable management, but it's not bad. So just let me go ahead and start disconnecting these wires, since we'll need to actually open the power cord to be able to open the RAM. I'll just disconnect them like this, but I won't like take them out of how I have my wires arranged. I'll just leave it in this little arch over here. Right, see? Put this down right here. Now you can see the valve to open the RAM is located right here. So if you push that down, alright, got it open. Awesome. Okay. Now, you could do it like this, but since this looks like a tight spot, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this from the table and leave it on top of my bed. Alright guys, now that I got my Mac nice and flat on my bed, I'm going to go ahead and pull these two white tabs in the opposite direction. That should allow you to pull out the RAM. I have the original 4 GB RAM modules over here that came with the iMac. See it? 4 GB right there. Let's see what this one is. I believe both of them were black, and the green ones were the Crucial ones that I purchased previously. Just be careful. Yep, you want to do it with 2 hands. Alright, and that's the other one. Awesome. So I took out both of them, which is about equals 8 gigs of RAM. I'm going to go ahead and open my Crucial pack and slide these bad boys in there. You see right here, Crucial. One thing you want to make sure is that the logo is on the outside, like this. Throw this in here. Let's match up. Yep, once you hear that sniping nicely, you know it's good to go. But I'll verify that once I plug those baby back in. Now the second one, there you go. Now pop that back in there and put the valve, which is right here. There you go. Now I'm ready to plug it back in and see how it works. Means that you've successfully installed your RAM. If you try to restart your computer and it doesn't even give you the Apple logo with the black screen around it, that means that you didn't input the RAM slot correctly. So I'll just go ahead and open that back up and make sure you pushed in all the RAM slots. Don't try to do it too hard. Make sure you do it with caution. That would prevent your system from starting up if you didn't correctly input one of the RAM slots in. So as you can see right off the bat, my memory clean app already recognized that there's more memory. Before it would only be around 21, and that's when I had a 40 gig memory with all the different apps. I just rebooted it now, so I probably don't have that much apps running, but you can see right off the bat that it's showing us 55 gigs of RAM is free. Now the official way, if you don't have memory clean, to look at it just to make sure, you have to do the same thing about this Mac. Go to memory, and voila, you can see that my 64 gigs has been installed. Previously it was only 40 gigs. So this is a pretty good upgrade for myself. Let's see, I hope not to upgrade it to 128 anytime soon. Hopefully 64 gigs would be enough for me to edit videos, run my antivirus softwares, and other various tools that I use working from home for my current position. So, if this video helps you, please just give me a like and subscribe. It helps a lot, and I appreciate the time you took for watching this video. Take care, guys. Bye.